Jacqueline Means. For today's episode, before we jump into our awesome experiment, I want to give a huge thank you and a big shout out to MNCO. They sent me this awesome granddaughter of an immigrant shirt in addition to these 3 super cool sweaters. The first one says, "I am my ancestors' wildest dream," which is so dope. The next one they sent me is this really cute pink one that says STEMinist, which is perfect for me because I love STEM. And the last one they sent me is this really cute gray one that says, "Girls just want to have fun, ding, for scientific research." I love all 3 of them. They fit me so well and they're super duper soft. So you guys should head over to her Etsy at MNCO and check out everything she has to offer, or go over to her Instagram at MNCO and see everything she has to offer on there. Thank you so much, MNCO. I love everything you sent me, so make sure you guys go head over there and support her and check her out. Now let's jump into our awesome experiment. Alrighty, so for today's experiment, we are making, drumroll please, worms! Ew! Just kidding, we are making super cool worms that are going to help us learn about polymers. Now, in here, to create our worms, I have sodium alginate. Now, sodium alginate is a polymer, which by definition is a large molecule made up of smaller, identical molecules. So, my sodium alginate. And in here, I have this clear liquid that looks like water, but it is not water. This is called calcium chloride, and this is going to be the source of my calcium ions for this experiment. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and pour in 200 milliliters of my calcium chloride. Just like that. Now, to go in here is going to be my sodium alginate mixture. Now, the reaction you're about to see is going to be the calcium ions from our calcium chloride bond to the alginate molecules in our sodium alginate mixture. Now, that is a lot of words and a big explanation for a really easy and super cool reaction. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour these in. You can already see they look so cool. And just like that, we have alginate worms. They look so awesome. I love the green and the purple. Doesn't that look so cool? You can see. Wow! So awesome. Now, what happens, like I said, our calcium bonded to our alginate, and what it creates is this insoluble gel, which is just our worm. And the coolest thing about these alginate worms, in my opinion, is that they are edible. Now, I'm not gonna take a bite, but if you guys go out and get the ingredients, take a bite and let me know what you think. I think they taste pretty weird, but let me know what you guys think. Wasn't that so cool? I love alginate worms. I think they're so cool. Not only do they teach us about polymers, but you can eat them, which is so dope. I hope you guys had a lot of fun in this week's episode of Fun STEM with the STEM Queen, Jacqueline Means, and I'll see you in next week's episode. Make sure you check me out on my Instagram at STEMQueenDE, or my Facebook at Jacqueline Means, or my Twitter at JackieMeans24. I'll see you guys next week. Bye!